Nail Art Crystals Kit. There are 120 PCs glass green nail rhinestones, 3000 PCs round nail art rhinestones, 1% tweezers and 1% rhinestone picker dotting pen in the package. Multi-shapes green rhinestones for nails for your choice, enough quantity for you to decorate your St Partrick Day nails or craft. Round green rhinestone size, assorted with 6 sizes placed in 12 grids, SS4, SS5, SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12. Each size is packed individually in a compartment, convenient for you to pick them out, also make it easier to store and carry. 12 shapes of nail charm. The multi-shapes green rhinestones for nails are made of high-quality K9 glass and is very hard and not easy to break. The AB green coating is bonded firmly to the outer surface of each crystals with durable sparkling and brightness. Make your nails shine. Our diamonds are green color, which can shine under light so as to add brightness and glamour to your nails, let you be more elegant and charming. You can mix them to create multiple nails art styles as you like. Suitable for nails and crafts. The Flatback Nail Gems Kit are very suitable for making all kinds of exquisite shiny nails. Also meet all you need for a huge variety of dazzling crafts, clothes, shoes, phone, books, cups, tablets, high heels and so on. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for nail art. Great product, great price. They are not those plastic pieces, but rather a beautiful sparkling glass rhinestone.